Fetch AI at the time of this recording has given us a bit of a bounce to the upside in a move that has now given us a break above a key area of resistance above the $1.48, flipping it back into support. We are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is also acting as support, and we have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures. And on today's video, I will be discussing the two scenarios that can play out here in the next coming hours, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange, where you can see that on sign up you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT, and all you need to have for you to register for an account is an email address, and alternatively you can use your mobile number for registration. Jumping back to the charts, I want to start the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where you can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside and we picked in this 5-wave structure in a move that gave us a high above the $1.75, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. And after we picked in that Elliott wave count 1, I was expecting that we are going to see a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2. And in the formation of these Elliott wave count 2, I have been giving you my minimum pullback target areas by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave down there on the 5th of August to the highs we made above the $1.75, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that target area lies between the 0.926 and the 1.3444, which lies on the fib level 0.382. And this is an area that we are yet to fully maximize, and you can see that at the time of this recording we have seen a pullback into this area, and at the moment we are seeing a reaction of the fib level 0.382, and that means that there are chances that we might have the low for the second wave in place on the low that we made on the 10th of August below the $1.269, and that means that in the next coming hours, if we manage to break above significant highs and significant key areas of resistances, then that will be enough confirmation that we have now started a very impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of these Elliott wave count 3. But if by any chance we don't manage to break above key areas of resistances, then that means that whatever we are seeing at the moment is still a corrective structure in the formation of these Elliott wave count 2, where we expect to see an ABC corrective structure play out. And I believe that whatever is playing out is an ABC corrective structure, having this as a wave A. Then we saw a wave B bounce over here into the minimum target areas between the $1.586 and the $1.537, an area that gave us a rejection to the lower side in what could be the start of a pullback in these Elliott wave count C. So there are high chances that in case in the next coming hours we see Fetch AI lose support above the $1.48 and the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart flipping it back into resistance, then that will mean that we are going to see further breakdown moves, give us in a move that should give us one more new low in this wave C, fully maximizing our target area, and also give us a low for the second wave before we can finally bounce to the upside in a larger Elliott wave count 3 that can easily get us back above the $2 in the next coming days. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out on the short term here on the Fetch AI chart. On the daily chart, I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and saw an impulsive movement to the upside, completing the formation of this wave 1 in a move that peaked above the 3.479. Then we saw a bit of a short-term corrective structure in these Elliott wave counts 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted here on the charts, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have the lows in place for the second wave, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months, we are going to see that impulsive movement to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, taking us to new all-time highs, then expect a wave 4, and then finally see the formation of these Elliot wave count 5, getting us back above the $10 in the next coming months and weeks. So that is all I'm expecting to play out here on the Fetch AI chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.